As part one of this series mentions, a Create Studio track matte mask with alpha uses any solid color, typically black and white, to show or hide all pixels of the underlying layer. Let's look at an example. If you're following along from part one, I will undo the regular mask and apply a track matte mask with alpha instead. Right-click on the regular layer and select Unmask to reveal the original two layers. As mentioned in part one, the mask was automatically extended to the length of the layer it was masking. Click the group layer, in my case, Indiana Jane, and notice that the settings panel has no available settings for the group. Right-click on the group layer and select Ungroup to reveal the track matte mask option. Select this layer, and in the settings panel, click the track matte to open this panel. From the mask drop-down list, select the white mask and Luma option. Pro tip: because the mask is completely white, selecting the alpha or Luma is irrelevant. Also, notice a small icon indicating a mask has been added to this layer. Unlike a regular mask, a track matte mask remains on a separate layer instead of being grouped into a single layer, which makes it easier to be seen and manipulated. Press the 1 key to reset the playback head to the beginning of the timeline if necessary. Press the 0 or the spacebar key to play the animation. To simplify things, it is important to note that the track matte masks using alpha behave exactly like the Create Studio masks discussed in part 1 of this series. It is important to know when creating a track matte mask, you don't need to use black because any area that is outside of the shape of the mask will be treated, with emphasis on the word treated, as black. Remember, black conceals and white reveals. Applying a feather effect to your mask may help soften the edges where any animation will take place. It may also be helpful to temporarily reduce the opacity of the shape that you will be converting into a mask so that you can see the underlying layer and how to mask it better. In the next video, I will show you how to use a track matte mask using Luma that will partially show or hide pixels of the underlying layer it is masking based on the color light value of the mask itself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like, share, and subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any more videos like this one. Click the link below to go to my channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day. And remember the rap, the more you learn, the more you may earn.
If you're a business owner, then animated explainer videos are the best way to capture attention, get more followers, and drive more sales. They're engaging to watch, super shareable, convert better, and make you feel like you're watching a Pixar movie, which is why they're used by massive brands like Google, Amazon, and Facebook. The problem is they can cost up to $25,000 for just one video, or require a fancy animation degree or complicated software to create one yourself. But what if there was a way anyone could create Pixar-level videos in just 10 minutes? Introducing Create Studio 3.0, the easiest way to make animated videos that lets anyone create professional 3D explainer videos in just a few clicks. Choose from your massive library of customizable templates, promo packs, and pre-animated characters. Drag and drop onto the timeline and easily edit in seconds. Quickly create your own custom 3D characters, just like in a video game, changing their hair, accessories, skin color, and clothing. Plus, you can add any voiceovers to your custom characters, all perfectly lip-synced in just one click. But it doesn't stop there. Your Create Studio library comes with fully customizable templates for any video you need. Social media ads, sales videos, lower thirds, and callouts, promo videos, and more. which is why Create Studio is trusted by 35,000 business owners worldwide with over 1,200 5-star reviews. And when you get Create Studio today, you'll also unlock a bunch of extra bonuses, like the gorgeous 2D character builder, with hundreds of extra backgrounds, scenes, and characters to choose from. Plus, you'll also get the hand-sketched doodle creator and turn complicated topics into easy-to-understand videos. And if that wasn't enough, we're even throwing in 100 social media scroll stoppers, so you can stand out on the feed and grow your social media on autopilot. All of this is a combined total value of over $799. But for a limited time, you can get lifetime access today for just one payment of only $67 with 0 recurring fees. Where we guarantee using Create Studio, you can build your first pro-level animated video in under 10 minutes. That gets you more attention and sells over the next 30 days guaranteed, or your money back. So what do you have to lose? Just click the button below to secure your lifetime copy for only $67. And start making stunning videos that get you more attention and sales for your business.